Efforts to garner favorable media coverage for Google's latest Pixel 9 phones have taken a hit after creators labeled the approach as unethical. Team Pixel, an exclusive program linked to Google, has been distributing complimentary Google products to influencers and creators since at least 2017. While such practices are common in the industry, they often navigate a murky ethical landscape, and the new guidelines for the 2024 Team Pixel initiative have raised eyebrows among some creators. Screenshots shared online reveal that a Google form for Team Pixel signups stated that participants are expected to feature the Google Pixel device instead of any competing mobile devices. Furthermore, it warned that if it seems other brands are favored over the Pixel, we will need to terminate the relationship between the brand and the creator. Many in the creator community argue that these stipulations hinder their ability to provide impartial reviews, which are essential for maintaining viewer trust and their own credibility. Tech reviewer Adam Matlock from the Tech Odyssey YouTube channel expressed to The Verge that he had relied on the program for early access to Google Tech, but announced on X that he had decided to leave the program due to the new conditions. Similarly, YouTuber Kevin Nether from the Tech Ninja channel shared on X that he too had exited Team Pixel because of the updated terms, noting that he had not encountered such language in previous recruitment surveys for the program. He also pointed out that demands for exclusivity typically came with discussions about compensation and transparency. Meanwhile, popular content creator Unman recently expressed his frustration with Google, claiming that he was not invited to the Pixel 9 launch event due to his previous critiques of earlier Pixel models. He took to the social media platform X to voice his concerns, stating, "For those of you asking about our Google Pixel review, we didn't receive an invite to the Google Pixel event this year. I reached out to several Google contacts but haven't heard back." Maney implied that his lack of an invitation was a result of his honest feedback on past Pixel devices. "We were critical of the last-gen Pixel devices, but that shouldn't exclude us from this year's launch," he remarked, emphasizing, "I stand by my critiques, and it should be viewed as an opportunity to improve the product and demonstrate that by letting us experience it firsthand." This situation has drawn attention from other prominent tech influencers, like Marcus Brownlee, who have distanced themselves from the program, highlighting the need for a clear separation between authentic reviews and sponsored content. The incident has sparked renewed conversations about the importance of transparent guidelines in influencer marketing, ensuring that consumers can easily differentiate between genuine reviews and promotional material. The Pixel Team Creator Survey link has been taken down. Following the backlash, Google issued a statement acknowledging that the phrasing was inappropriate and that the language used was off-target. This acknowledgement has sparked significant criticism from both consumers and marketing experts. Such actions not only erode the trust between influencers and their audiences, but also damage the relationship between everyday users and Google. This situation underscores the increasing scrutiny surrounding influencer marketing practices within the tech sector. It prompts crucial discussions about transparency and authenticity in social media advertising. So, what are your thoughts on this latest controversy involving Team Pixel? Is it reasonable to expect influencers to provide only positive feedback? Share your views on this, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.